Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a Chinese cuisine. Known for its rich flavors and emphasis on freshness, it's a cuisine that delivers a perfect balance of taste and aroma, making each bite a delightful experience. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Shandong Cuisine, Shandong Cuisine, Shan, Dong, Quit, Scene, Shandong Cuisine. Shandong cuisine is one of China's most esteemed culinary traditions, often enjoyed at grand banquets, weddings, and celebrations, symbolizing hospitality and high-quality cooking. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.